Now let's talk about fashion brand launch checklist. Pre-launch phase is 1 to 2 months before the launch. Launch phase first month of sales. Post-launch is 3 to 6 months. Pre-launch phase is 1 to 2 months or 3 months before the launch. In this time you have to create your brand identity, that is name, brand name, logo, brand colors and taglines, and then set up your social media accounts: Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, WhatsApp business account and all those. Then create a website, either use Shopify, WordPress, or have a basic landing page. Product development, do stock in at least 5 to 10 designs which are ready to launch. Do a photography, high quality photos, lifestyle, white background photos. Website and marketplace setup: Shopify, Amazon, Myntra and Flipkart. Influencer marketing plan: connect with 5 to 10 micro influencers and collaborate with them to launch your products. The brand name and the taglines, they should be like memorable and unique, and easy to spell and pronounce, and relevant to the fashion and style industry, and available for trademark and domain registration. Brand name ideas for fashion brand: for example, if it is like luxury and premium brands, Vivara Looks, Eterna Weaves, Royal Threads. If it is handloom or traditional names, you can use Sutrika, Vivora, Vastra Vriksha, something like this. And then if you want something like trendy names: Fabrico, Urban Drape, Trendista. Some of these names are there, and then the name should be unique and easy to spell and should be available for domain registration. Just make sure these things are taken care of. Launch phase, which is the first month of sales, you can start your targeted ads on Instagram and Facebook, and can have some giveaway contests to increase the engagement and reach. Have early bird offers, special discounts for first time buyers, and request for customer testimonials and reviews. Encourage buyers to post photos. Have pop-up and launch events. Partner with local boutiques for selling your products, for launching your products. Once you have launched, the post-launch phase is the growth phase, which is 3 to 6 months. SEO optimization for website has to be done. It has to rank for fashion related keywords. WhatsApp and email marketing: send updates and exclusive offers. Paid ad campaigns: scale up using Google and Instagram ads. Expand product range: introduce new categories like accessories or footwears. And then offline tie-ups: sell in boutiques or exhibitions. These will increase visibility of your brand. Instagram content strategy for fashion brands. There are some key pillars, that is like product showcases. You have high quality sari or outfit images, behind the scenes like handloom making, packaging, or team stories. Create reels and video on styling tips, try-ons, influencer collaborations, customer stories, real people wearing your brand. Sales and offers, flash sales, giveaways, limited discount, time discounts. All these will increase your brand awareness, and also people will look out for purchasing products from you.